Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Okay, traders, welcome back to this next lesson. Now, as you go through this membership area incomplete in total, there's going to be different systems, different strategies for helping you get ahead and helping you move forward, okay? And you'll learn that as you go through this whole membership area. Not just this section where you're learning all these different videos in this section, but this whole membership area that you've got access to. Now, one thing that I want to say is, I want to teach you what we call the bullish up or bearish down, because this type of setup here, when we're talking about entry signals, is a very, very, very powerful setup when you're looking for it, okay? So when you're looking for this type of signal, I want you to be focused on it because it's very, very powerful, okay? So it's called a bullish up and bearish down. Now, we've already walked through in the past the different updates, okay? So different updates is the update is you've got this update here, okay, and then you've got another update here, okay? So it's an update because we've got a higher high compared to the previous day high, and we've got a higher low compared to the previous day's low. Now this is an update. Now what makes this bullish update? What makes the bullish update is that it opens in the bottom 1/3 and it closes in the top 1/3. Okay, so this is what we call a bullish update. Okay. Now when you're looking for it, this here shows a very strong. It shows a very strong direction in the market. Okay, not only have we got an update, a higher high and a high low compared to the previous day's bar, but we've also, the open is in the bottom 1/3 and now the close is in the top 1/3. So now we're building on the trading periods, all right? So we have through trading periods, and now this is opening and closing in the top 1/3. That's showing a true direction. That's showing a really good direction. Now, this is what we call the bullish up day. Now the bearish down day is where you actually have this day here, okay, so you have one day here, and we have a down day here, okay, so this is just the down day. It's a down day because we've got a lower high compared to the previous day's bar, and a lower low compared to the previous day's bar, okay, but this one here is a bearish down day because it's a down day, but what makes it bearish down day is it opens in the top 1/3 and it closes in the top 1/3, in the bottom 1/3. So it opens in the top 1/3 and closes in the bottom 1/3 of the actual bar. This is now a bearish down day, okay? This one and then this one here is obviously a bullish update. This is something that is really going to help you when you're looking at charts and looking at this here. This is a very strong. If you get this setup, this is starts with the setup of that's really going to help you move forward in the market. Okay, so let's go over to the charts and I'll show you some examples of bullish up and bearish down days. Okay, so now we're looking at this chart here. Okay, this is just a chart, and this could be a chart of anything out there, whether it's a forex chart, doesn't matter what chart it is. And you can see we've got these bars here. Okay, so now I'm just showing you different bullish up bars. Okay, so let me see if I can. There we go. All right, so let's actually talk about this here. So we have here. We can see we have this bar here, okay? We have this high, okay, this high here, okay, and this low here. What do we have? We have an higher low and a higher high. So it's an up bar. You can see the open in the bottom 1/3 and the closed in the top 1/3, and that's what we call a bullish up day. It went sideways for a couple, went basically another 2 days here, and we'll get into what these days are here. But just remember what we said before about trading periods, okay? And then it's suddenly what happens, we have another up day where it's a higher high and a higher low compared to the previous day's bar. It opens in the bottom 1/3 and closes in the top 1/3, okay? This here is what you will call a bullish up day, okay? So so you want to go check those out and have a good look at those. Now, let's have a look at a bearish down day example, okay? So let's just move this over here. Okay, let me show you a couple of bearish down day examples on this chart here. So we have a lower high and a lower low compared to the previous day's low. Okay, but then the open is in the top 1/3 and the close is in the bottom 1/3. So you can see that this is what we call a bearish down day. It's a down day, but it's a bearish because it opens and closes in opposite thirds. Market runs down, market runs down. Then we have here, you can see market runs down. This is another down day here, lower high, lower low. This one here is an inside bar because it goes inside the bar, so it's inside, lower high, higher low. If you go back to the trading periods video, then we have a lower low and a lower high. A lower high and a lower low compared to the previous day's bar, and it opens almost in the top 1/3 and closes definitely in the bottom 1/3. This is what you would call a bearish down day. So now you understand the bullish up and the bearish down day bars. Now you understand this type of setup. Let me just bring this back up again, this diagram here for a minute. Now you understand this bullish up and bearish down day. I want you to go back to your charts. Okay, I want you to go back to your charts, and I want you to start bringing up different stocks, even if you don't know what they are, who they are, and stuff like that, and start to identify these bullish up and bearish down days bars. Okay. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.